How to fix Goldman Sachs Bank login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about how you can fix your Goldman Sachs Bank if you're getting a login problem. Now, sometimes when you try to log into your account, you will not be able to log in and receive some sort of problem. So in this video, we'll go through the most common reasons as to why this problem may be occurring and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you got to make sure is you are connected to a stable internet connection. Now, as Goldman Sachs app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work, if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data and is not stable, your app will not work, hence causing your login problem. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now, the second thing you got to make sure is you're entering the correct username and your password. Now, if you enter either one of these wrong, you will not be able to log in, and this may be your problem. So if you're unsure about what your user ID or your password is, you can simply reset it by tapping these options over here, resetting whichever one you're confused about, and once you've reset it, simply try entering it again and you will be able to log in if that was your problem. Now, the third thing you can do is basically check if your app needs an update. Now, if your app is not updated to the latest version, sometimes the newer features and fixes will not work, causing your app to experience various types of problems such as your login problem. And what you can do is basically offload app if you're on an iPhone device, and you can also try to clear cache memory if you're on an Android device. Now, doing this will in most cases fix your login problem, but if you still are getting the problem, simply try to contact the Goldman Sachs Bank support team and they will be able to help you with your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.